Welcome back to the channel, where we focus on practical ways to grow skills, build income, and create opportunities using modern technology. If this is your first time here, you are welcome. Please take a moment to like this video, share it with someone who could benefit, and subscribe to the channel for more valuable and realistic content. Today, we are discussing how to make money using ChatGPT for writing and freelance services, even if you are just getting started. ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence tool that helps generate written content. It can assist with ideas, structure, editing, and clarity. For freelancers and writers, this tool saves time and increases productivity, making it valuable in today's content-driven market. Think of it less as a magic button and more as a super smart assistant. It takes your initial thoughts and helps you expand on them, organize them logically, and refine your wording. It's about working smarter, not harder, and in the fast-paced world of freelance writing, that efficiency is a huge advantage. It can help you overcome writer's block and get a first draft on the page quickly, so you can spend more of your valuable time on the creative and strategic parts of writing. With ChatGPT, you can offer writing services such as blog writing, social media content, email marketing, product descriptions, and video scripts. Businesses constantly need written content, and many are willing to pay for reliable and consistent writers. For example, a local business might need weekly blog posts to attract customers through search engines. A startup might need engaging social media captions to build their brand online. An e-commerce store needs persuasive product descriptions that turn browsers into buyers. These are all real, in-demand services you can provide. By using a tool like ChatGPT to assist you, you can manage more projects and deliver high-quality work consistently, which is exactly what clients are looking for. The key is to find a niche you enjoy and become the go-to person for that type of content. ChatGPT does not replace your creativity, it supports it. You still guide the ideas, improve the tone, and ensure accuracy. The tool helps reduce blank page stress and allows you to focus on quality and strategy. It's a collaboration. You provide the vision, the context, and the critical thinking. ChatGPT provides the raw material and speeds up the mechanical parts of writing. For instance, you can ask it to generate 10 different headline ideas for a blog post, and then you use your judgment to pick the best one. You can ask it to summarize a complex topic, and then you rewrite it in your own unique voice, adding personal stories and insights. This partnership allows you to produce content faster and better than you could on your own. It frees up your mental energy to think about the bigger picture, like your clients' goals and their audience's needs. You can find clients on freelance platforms, through direct outreach, or by building your own personal brand. Clients care about results, not tools. As long as you deliver value, how you work is secondary. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are great places to start and build a portfolio. You can also try direct outreach by identifying businesses you admire and sending them a personalized email explaining how your writing services can help them achieve their goals. Show them examples of your work. Building a personal brand on social media or through your own blog is a longer-term strategy, but it can attract higher-paying clients who are already convinced of your expertise. Remember, your portfolio is your most powerful tool. Make sure it showcases the quality and value you provide. Professionalism matters. Set fair prices, communicate clearly, and meet deadlines. ChatGPT helps you work efficiently, but trust is built through reliability and consistency. When you're starting out, research what other freelancers are charging for similar services to set a competitive rate. As you build your portfolio and gain positive reviews, you can gradually increase your prices. Always be clear about the scope of the project, the deliverables, and the timelines. Use a simple project management tool to keep track of your work and deadlines. Responding to messages promptly and delivering work on time every time will set you apart from the competition and lead to long-term client relationships and referrals. Always use ChatGPT responsibly, review content carefully, ensure originality, and add your human perspective. The most successful freelancers combine artificial intelligence tools with real skills and judgment. Never just copy and paste the output. Always fact-check any claims or data it generates. Run your final draft through a plagiarism checker to ensure it's unique. Most importantly, infuse the text with your own voice, personality, and expertise. Tell stories, share personal experiences, and connect with the reader on a human level. This is what separates generic content from great content, and it's the reason clients will hire you instead of just using the tool themselves. Your unique perspective is your most valuable asset. As you gain experience, you can specialize, increase your rates, and offer more advanced services. Growth comes from learning, practice, and patience. Maybe you start with general blog posts, but over time, you discover you're really good at writing technical articles or compelling email sequences. Specializing in a high-demand niche allows you to position yourself as an expert and command higher fees. You can also expand your services. If you're writing blog posts for a client, you could also offer to manage their social media content calendar or write their website copy. Always be learning, refining your process, and looking for new ways to add value for your clients. This commitment to growth is what will turn this from a side hustle into a sustainable career. Making money with ChatGPT is not about shortcuts. It is about using modern tools wisely to create real value. Start small, stay ethical, and keep improving your skills. The opportunity is real, but it requires effort, professionalism, and a commitment to quality. Don't get discouraged if it takes time to find your first client. Be persistent, keep building your portfolio, and focus on delivering excellent work. The skills you develop along the way will be valuable for years to come, no matter how technology evolves. Remember that you are the one in control, and this tool is here to help you achieve your goals more effectively. If you found this video helpful, please like it, share it with others who want to earn using technology, and subscribe to the channel for more practical and motivating content. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.